financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And welcome back to what I call my favorite financial ritual, our bi-weekly cash unstuffing and stuffing session. I'll be looking forward to this moment all week long. I've been looking forward to this moment all week because there's something so deeply satisfying about getting hands-on with our money and seeing exactly where we stand. 2 weeks have flown by, and I'm practically buzzing with anticipation to discover how our spending went. And the moment I live for, how much we get to celebrate adding to our rollover challenge. Here's what we're diving into today. We're unstuffing our variable envelopes to reveal our spending story, taking an honest look at our wins and learning opportunities, refreshing our envelopes with crisp cash for the next 2 weeks, and transferring every precious saved dollar into our rollover challenge, which then we get to roll over into our 10K challenge, which helps us to reconnect with our financial power and purpose. You know what I absolutely love about this process? It's not just about counting money, it's about counting our victories, big and small. Every time we choose mindfulness over mindless spending, we're writing a new chapter in our financial success story. So let's grab our envelopes, take a deep breath, and dive into this beautiful practice of intentional money management together. In our gas envelope, we have 20, 30, 35, 36, $37 remaining. In groceries, we have, that's a gas receipt. I don't know how a gas receipt got in groceries. We have 10, 15, 16, 17, $18. Kids, we roll over, and in spending, let's see if we spent anything, you guys. I don't think we did. No, we still have $180, which we roll over. We don't put that in our rollover challenge because that's for us to do a little something for ourselves. And I think I have found it. You guys, I am finally going to take the plunge and trust somebody to pamper me and get my hair done. So let's see how that turns out. Now, for our rollover challenge, we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, $55 that we are adding today into our rollover challenge. So let's put 55 here, and let's see how much we have total thus far in our rollover challenge. We have $1,500 in our high yield savings. We've got $300 in our surplus reserve. So 1,500 and 300 is $1,800. And now we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, $95. You guys, we are $5 away from yet another placeholder. So let's get this condensed. I know that we are going to be able to use those dollars, and let's see if this is 50, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, $50. Let's get a $50 bill from our surplus reserve. Here's our 50, and let's put those smaller bills away. Our 20, we've got two tens, so that makes 40. We have a 5, which makes 45, and we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's get those ones in here. So now we've got a condensed $95 here. So we have $1,895 that we have saved thus far this year simply by taking what's been left over at the end of each week and starting over so that we intentionally spend and don't get used to a surplus. Now, let's get to stuffing those envelopes again so that way we know what we're doing for the next 2 weeks. To stuff our envelopes, we've got 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, $370 to stuff our envelopes. We will start with gas. We do $200 in gas every 2 weeks. That's $100 a week to spend on gas. We'll get these two 50s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200 now. We'll put this in our envelope, and I think I'm going to change these out for summer vibes. Groceries, we've got 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, $150 for groceries. That's $75 per week that we can spend on groceries for the family. Kids, we put $40 in their account, but our Tooth Fairy money is still here, safe and secure. They did do a little bit of work and they earned $75 Amazon gift cards. So those are in here as well. And then we're adding $20 to our spending envelope. So now we have 100. Oh, we've got $200. So I'm going to leave it like this because I'm going to get my hair done and I'm not sure if I'm going to need the full 200. So I may need these smaller bills. So we've got $200 now in our spending. What a phenomenal biweekly cash stuffing session this was, my lovely financial fashionistas. I hope you're walking away from this feeling as empowered and clear headed as I am right now, watching us add those hard earned savings to our rollover challenge never gets old. It's like watching our future selves getting richer with every session. This is the beauty of consistent, intentional money management. We're not just organizing cash, we're organizing our entire financial future, one envelope at a time. Every dollar we transfer to the rollover challenge is proof that we can trust ourselves to make smart choices even when no one's watching. I'm genuinely so proud of the financial mindset we've cultivated together. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress, awareness, and incredible power to show, and the incredible power of showing up for ourselves every 2 weeks. If this session gives you a boost of motivation or helped you see your own budgeting journey in a new light, I'd be so grateful if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Joyful Budgeting Co. for more empowering content. Tell me in the comments what surprised you most about your spending this past 2 weeks. Are you ready to start your own rollover challenge? I genuinely love hearing about your financial journeys because we're all learning and growing together. Until next session, keep choosing intention over impulse. And remember that every mindful money decision is an act of self love. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And I can't wait to see you again. Stay fabulous and financially intentional.